Currently in our area, 83 degrees with a heavy thunderstorm. A flash flood watch, a severe thunderstorm watch, and a tornado watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, thunderstorms, especially during the evening. Storms may produce large hail and strong winds. Low 74. Winds north-northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. For Sunday, scattered thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon. Storms may produce large hail and strong winds. High 83. Winds northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. And Sunday night, showers and thundershowers likely. Locally strong thunderstorm winds with blowing gusts. Low 70. Winds north at 10 to 15 miles per hour. The week ahead.